top news headlines. Amit Shah arrives in Guwahati on two-day Assam visit. Ailing Bukundu gets CMHT card. Medical treatment to be started at Jennings. And medicinal saplings planted at every home yard of Phaying. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA Tongbram giving you the news in details. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has arrived in Guwahati for his two-day visit to Assam today. This is his first visit since the National Register of Citizens has been published in the state. The visit of Amit Shah, who is also the president of the BJP, assumes much significance, with party leaders in Assam expressing unhappiness over the final NRC published recently. Notably, ahead of Shah's visit, Assam once again been declared as a disturbed area for 6 months. During his two-day visit, the Union Home Minister will hold a meeting of the Northeastern Council. The governors and chief minister of 8 northeastern states will also participate in these meetings. He is also likely to review the situation in Assam after the publication of the NRC. He will also attend a meeting of the BJP-led Northeast Democratic Alliance tomorrow. This is also Amit Shah's first visit to Assam after becoming the Home Minister. Shah was received by Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and other government officials at the airport. Bharatiya Janata Party workers of Bishnupur constituency, under the supervision of Salam Jivan, a social worker, handed over Chief Minister Gi Haksel Gi Tengbang CMHT card to Laisram Bukundo, an ailing teenager from Thinungai Mayalikai. Following which, Bukundo was admitted to Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jennings, Imphal, for medical treatment. Bukundo is 17, son of Laisram Achau Singh and Laisram Ongbi Ibecha Devi, has been bedridden for the last 2 months due to an illness, not getting any medical attention owing to poor financial condition of his family. His father is a farmer and hence he cannot afford medical expenses for his son. With tears in his eyes, the teenager expressed his pleasure on receiving the CMHT card. Bukundo's father thanks Salam Jivan and everyone for their help. Besides, social worker Salam Jivan, Bishnupur BJP Mahila Morcha President L. Premila Devi, Secretary H. Shobita, social worker T. H. Sarat, and President of Bishnupur Kisan Morcha O. Sananing Thau were also present during handing over of the CMHT card to Bukundo.
I want to know tabak naba aduga kwang naba kong chatpangam daba ising chatpangam daba aduni naris niwe kakawai na maya khona bidina chief minister gi aksing card phangwa jai ngonde yamna ngai ba phaude
sa si anaba si yengmang ngamna mayamna tawbina yam haude aduga khogi inau jiban sulu phali sing manga pangbirak mateng tobi khoida adu akhona tawbim dumda Sale dain kun doctor yang menurut emal lawu ngamdadna yumda sumlei ni sasi mayamna tawbina isabu anabu kamni be asuk harawli khidre.
Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, in association with Phaying Gram Panchayat, conducted a mass medicinal tree plantation program at Phaying in Imphal West today. The event was held with a mission to sensitize local women folk on responsibility for preservation of nature by reducing environmental degradation and control health hazards. As part of the event, medicinal saplings were planted at every home yard of Phaying. Several medicinal plants such as neem, mayoba, aboga and agur were distributed to more than 270 households. Talking to TOMTV, Deputy Director of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur, T. Brajakumar expressed that women have a close connection with nature and have a great role to play in shaping the environment. He asserted that medicinal plants like neem has many benefits when used properly and appeal to the women folk to take care of trees like their own children.
Ngasi medicinal plant amam phayeng yumthong khuding da hon da bi aro habigi pandam makha da koi changhin jarpa khongthang amani ada leiriba akoi isani sei maiben akoi imungi domesticated akoi housewife sing sina haibsi yokhat piraga hung phaba ma uraka ma da ulak pagi pandam din haitare
masida khoi na ngasi yen thokchari ba upambi sing asi sumnagi upambi du yen ba khakta nate hinghanna bagi masa masa na chawba dai ta launa bagi damak ta khoina mana matum yen thokpagi thorom su thamjari upambi khwai dagi hena section phajana hingan bampung marai phan ba mioi du da khoina lupa lising mangagi sel gi mana pizagani haiduna meangi mafam da thamjari
aduna ngasigi paibiriba gram panchayat ki pradhan na tawbiriba sumaina mathang mathang lakpada su tattana siguma program si tattana sinbiyo haiba wahai si thamjani
ado ngasi sumai daudana ujar phayeng da sumai enthokpi basi yam harau jai nim mam pibiraga aikoi yumda tharaga achauba phajana tharaga chawhallaga prize bini haibasi yam nungai jai yam harau jai.
The neem trees here is planted by the locals of Phayeng, and the initiatives has been taken by the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change in collaboration with the Phayeng Gram Panchayat. And if such kind of welfare activities is taken even in the days to come, then it would help in greatly reducing the environmental issues and different kind of problems that is faced by locals in the society. With camera person Sharat Chandra, this is Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News, Phayeng.
The Solid Waste Management and Single-Use Plastic Zone, Kaino and Sanitation Committee, Bishnupur jointly organized a cleanliness drive at the office of Kaino Gram Panchayat today. The program was conducted as part of the Clean India initiative, which aims to eradicate single-use plastic. Social scientist Dr. Laishram Danavi stated that success is like one's own shadow, adding that one can attain success if values time. Speaking at a motivation cum interaction program with the students of Center program at Mind Empowerment Center, Patsoi Part 3, Dr. Danavi said that we must maintain an inquisitive mind to make a better society. He asserted that students must cultivate the habit of self-study to gather as much as information and knowledge and should try to take part in every social event as much as possible. He reiterated that success will come to only those individuals who manage time. Later, students of the center who secure high marks in the board and council exams were felicitated during the program.
Alu bola tilo bola wo yene nuko alu bola su kai de se libat train dui kam thor meku amu bodro chu waksang sina kumang tokosu muba mitegi talko mi pisu muba fur chigai bo maselaga se libat train do tandong do mata tukhul ra chara ne makudum jita ga nara ko ne ngasi akuna wo ndo Manipur si mamang gi miyan karam na piram mo na kapakdo.
Now we have a short break. Stay tuned. Coming up next, locals of Moijing Khul of Thobal district organized a mass rally cum public meeting against substance abuse.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana Kangla gi no food item singi mahong Kangla bada ngauroi daw kana bu lei bagi. Kangla.
Welcome back. Locals of Moijing Khul of Thobal district held a mass rally cum public meeting against drug abuse and sale of narcotics in the area. Moijing area has been witnessing an increase in drug abuse by youngsters, including students. The rally was organized by 5 organizations of Moijing under the theme Save Our Generation. Superintendent Police of Thobal District Dr. S. Ibomcha flagged off the rally from Moijingawang Primary Madrasa School ground. The SP also took part in the rally. After the rally, they held a meeting at Moijing Community Hall.
छात्र सिंह नहारों सिंह अमदी लाकदोर जनरेशन से ड्रग एडिक्ट होएगा लोइना मांगखिबगी अकीब लेरकपदगी अखोइना सी खोंनिंग चंगहौद्रगदी तुंगदा अखोइ लाकदोर जनरेशन मांगखरनी मुत्रनी हाइबदगी अकीब अमा लेबदे अखोइ रिले चचबनी
ड्रग से मुथत्पा ट्रैफिकिंग से मुथत्पा ट्रैफिकिंग थिंगबा पुनमक थिंगबा हाइदना अखोइ अदुगी अखोइ डिसीजन अमा लौमिनगदबनी अदुगीदमक्ता अखोइ रिले से लमथानबिदमक्ता अखोइ ऑनरेबल जिला अदुगी ऑनरेबल प्रधान अखोइ लेजरे अदुगा अखोइ जी लेइबा कनोगी इमामसिंग अदुगा सेक्रेटरीसिंग पुनमक लेरे अखोइ हजिक लमथारगा अखोइ रिले से चलकान
Convener of Protection and Preservation Committee, Jitendra Ningomba, today assured that the committee will give main priority on tackling the present drought situation in the state and improving the highways connecting Manipur. He started these on the sidelines of general body meeting of the committee held at the committee's official located at Wahengbam Lekai, Imphal.
PPCM na tongan mafum singda periphery area da amadi amanung hanjin ba jaga sing salaga khoi work tok jerak pani aduna hoki ba 2017 amusung 19 dagi khoi gi yamana purumadi gi hujik 2019 to 21 si aina puja ba numini haibagi khoi gi sinaba numini haitare aduna hoki ba lakuduri ba khoi chahi sida hana khoi gi senior sing to wiramba thabuk sing degi walhoba mayam sing do men kachar ga haidare hujuji yamna thoiba maru oina hujuji manipur yamna tangdu lekta ba mayam thoise masidi hena afaba peace rom da santi puruna bo aduma lambi rom da hena emphasis pisalaga thabuk tawjagani hai wo phum sei tamjage.
A one-day free medical health checkup camp for the families of self-help groups was held at Oinam Awang Lekai Community Hall, organized by Oinam Municipal Council under the aegis of Din Dayal Antyodaya Yojana National Urban Livelihoods Mission under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of Manipur. 2 doctors and 3 staff members of Primary Health Center Oinam and members of Oinam Municipal Council and 150 people took part in the camp.
Denulongi makada semi besele group sing asi gi member sing amadi imung manung sing family punamak na dekna tinjang kajang dana afaba khoi society ama oinabagi damakta sinjaba program ni ado khoi hujiksu makha tana lapi ba khuding mak pul loidi bhawa ingsinjagini pasigi damda denulongi makhada simbi aiba program singa se khoi haininga aitana nungaiba phaujai ekoida.
Dr. Savannah, she Matters Women Clinic today conducted a public awareness program on InMote multi-platform full-body solution that helps in curing a number of diseases common in women within 119 days. The event was held at Hotel Classic in North AOC, wherein Doctor of the clinic, Dr. Savannah, R.K. Premjit and Managing Director of InMote, Samir Wathera, were present. Dr. Savannah said that they are also now planning to open a clinic for men very soon. Tanjim Makatif-e-Denia Yaripok observes its 5th Jalsa, the annual meeting at Idika Wali Masjid, Yaripok, to be held today. Principal of Darul Ulum Markaz, Manipur, Mohatmim Hazrat Mufti Siras Ahmad Kasmi and Chairman of Tanjim Makatif-e-Denia Yaripok, Sadar Mufti Nasim Ahmad Kasmi were present at the occasion. Mufti Siraz Ahmad Kasmi said that disregarding God leads to turmoil in this world. He stressed on the importance of Islamic education and learning religious books from early age of one's life. Students who score good marks at Maktab exam were also felicitated at the event. Also, 9 students who have got through class 5 from Tanjim Makatif-e-Denia were presented with Sanat. A competition of Maktab students was also held and letter prizes were distributed to the winners. In connection to Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month, a free gynecological screening and awareness program was conducted today at the residence of Yai School MLA TH Satyabrata located at Singzamai Begapati Leka, Impal. The event was organized by Gynecological Oncology Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, in association with Department of Pathology, JANIMS, Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur State Branch and BBCI. A 25-member team comprising of doctor, nurses and technical staff attended the program where around 200 women were given an awareness lecture on the topic and also given free medical checkup. Vice President of TNI Manipur State Branch L. Sanjana Devi said the program sensitized women on cervical cancer so that they can keep the disease at bay.
अकोई मणिपुर लेरिबा नुपीसिंगसे कैंसर की मतंगदा कैंसर है सर्वाइकल कैंसर की मतंगदा अवेयरनेस पीरगा डिटेक्ट तौनबगी अदुगुंबा नाद्रिङैदा कमायना कलहौगदगे अदुगा नारागना अखोई कैदौगदगे अदगी अखोइना करी नुपीसिंगसिना सेक्शन थौरांग लौखटपा दरकार ओइबगे हाबदो अदुगी मतंगदा पांगथोकसबनी.
All Manipur Muslim Maitai Pangal Welfare Association AMMPWA, Imphal in association with School Management Committee of Anita Standard High School, Kwakta today jointly organized International Literacy Day 2019 at the school premises. Retired MCS officer Abdul Salam, who was participating in the program, said that AMMPWA has been conducting various educational awareness programs in Muslim populated areas as Muslims are economically and educationally backward community in Manipur. He further said such awareness programs are conducted with a view to make aware about importance of education to the Muslim community. Chairperson of Kwakta Municipal Council Janab Muhammad Maharuddin, President of AMMPWA Khan, former MPSC member Janab Masatar, President of Jamaitul Ulema Bishnupur District Maulana Islauddin Qasmi, President of Anita Standard High School Muhammad Abdul Hakim attended the program as main guests. Several residents, including students of Kwakta, attended the program. Now we have another short break. Stay tuned for Time of Manipur for more updates.
Manipur State Council na sinjaduna lamyanba luching purel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba kunmari suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna Jain Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition sigi form pampamna
AYF office irawat Bhavan Group Mahalten Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak pisingna form hamtang lobiduna
asida upcoming singer
aduga masigi competition asi khalaliba sejak singidi amna soba platform mo idini
Manipur gi nongle inkhalaklibi singna saruyabiu kunmari suba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdam
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gi damakta monsoon offer ama pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamorol Gidamak contact Tobiu, Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikogi phone number 1800-1027-959, Natraga 8794613154.
Welcome back. The Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil has observed its 19th Foundation Day at Multi-Utility Complex Hall, Jiribams, Babupara today. President of AMKIL P. Saki Leima, JCILPS co-convener YK Diren, President of UPF W. Second, Vice President of AMMPAL T. Sanathoy, President of JDO L. Roman, President of JIMPAL H. Mema, President of NIMPAL TH Ibema, President of NLA and LY Mema Leima were among who attended the function. Speaking on the sidelines of the event, PA Saki said the apex body was formed by various social organizations from both the hills and valley in the wake of agitation over ceasefire agreement signed between the NHNIM and Government of India. She also stressed on the need to monitor the influx of illegal migrants into the state. Saki said that it is high time for all organizations to work together and take up necessary steps to check the alarming influx of non-locals into the state as it poses a threat to the indigenous communities of the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯆꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯅꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯞ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯞꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯔꯤꯒ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯍꯣꯏꯒ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯖꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Co-convener of JCILPS YK Diren said it is utmost important to launch a campaign and spread awareness against the influx of the outsiders to keep the integrity intact. Otherwise, in few years, Manipur would be turned into a state like Tripura where the Tripuris have become minority, he added.
Problem sing atopa laibak mitop miyan sa sing laga kan biragadaba masi solve torogadaba nataba aikoi shana ishabu kanjanaba honadragadi aikoi manipuri kunai si noma gi sum lupsalakradaba lupakradaba kunayama.
Mahurat for Manipuri feature Arun Bawari of City Film Production was held at Kombire in Uripog, Khairak, Selung Leiret today. Culture Director A. Sibdas Sarma, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, S. Mangoljau and Chief Engineer of Building Works Department in Nuren were present at the event. The film is an adaptation of the novel Minok Tugi Marumda.
Arun Bawari Haibasisu Manipuri films ki aikogi film nainarapada film yengbasina sukso ishoina pabiba nungai biba amadi film ki aikogi nungsiba mahau fawba film ama oigani haibasi aigi thajabani.
Actors Guild Manipur will host a two-day discussion program on Manipuri cinemas, present scenario and measures for development on 14 and 15 of this month at the Tribal Research Institute, Chingmeirong, Imphal. This was informed by Manipuri film actor Tej Kumar during a press meet held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. He informed that renowned film director Aribam Shyam Sarma is attending as moderator at a two-day discussion program wherein several resource persons will talk on films and other related topics.
Director, actor, makeup, cinematographer, at one platform, matam amatta faminaraga, Nakoi Walina Sine, Koi Walina Sine, Koi Togina Sine, Koi Aswebina City, Miga Sobita Putonata, Isaga, Sobs Putona, Nanga, Damnina, Masidi Amna, Masida Kogi Han and Lera Magip Mam, the law in a Makoi Putona. See, Torga overnight Manipur films, Hayang at the Parani Happy one, but it is a big step for the development of Manipuri cinema. Cine Hajaning, a Choba Kontanga money.
Now let's move on sports news. Thangta Federation of India today warmly received the Indian contingents of World Martial Arts Mastership Festival 2019 held in Chungju, South Korea at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. The festival was organized by World Martial Arts Union. The Indian team bagged second place in the male weapon single event category in the 2019 Chungju World Martial Arts Contest and overall team champion title at the 5th International Thangta Championship. The Yoga and Nature Care Home, Kundrakpam Awangleika, has organized the first local level Yogasana Championship 2019 today at the conference hall of the hospital. Over 20 participants in the age group 6 to 10 years took part in the competition. The program was conducted to motivate young children and youth in maintaining a healthy lifestyle and to stay away from drugs. Yoga instructor Mai Bambizoi Singh said that the program was conducted to encourage the young children and youth in increasing self-regulation and thus facilitate their overall well-being. He further stated that the program was also conducted as a part of preparation for taking part at the national level championship, which will be held in October next. Prizes were also distributed to the winners and also consolation prizes to all the participants.
Yoga coaching sum tawba haitare frida angang yi kawraga sum tambiba no hoji mathangda mawjingju lakpa hawrani thangmatang tawga ina masidi hojiga state ki tournament tawdoi sigi nangnaba tournament macha ama sing mangoina na angang yi first second third moiju khara tournament thokbagi talents lainaba adu mai mongda first 11 local 11 gano yoga sana championship ina maming thonjalaga sum program si pangthokwa hogyobani.
The Kaching runners organized the second Kaching World War II Memorial Run 2019 at Kaching District Sports Association Playground with the motto Run for Health, Run for Fun, Run for a Good Cause, Run to Save Environment, Run to Serve the People. The run was kicked off by blowing corns to show respect to all departed souls. MLA of Kaching constituency Y. Su Chandra flagged off the run. Around 1,500 runners took part in the 25-kilometer race and 8-kilometer fun race held under 4 categories. Cash prize of Rs 50,000 and Rs 20,000 each were given to the first, second and third position respectively. Participants and winners of Northeast State Level Mastermind Abacus Competition 2019 held in Guwahati on 25th of August were felicitated during an event hosted by Mastermind Abacus Manipur unit at the Maikli International School, Lalambung, Makong today. As part of the function, the winner, first and second runners-up along with other participants were presented with simple gift as motivational gesture. The event was attended by President of SBI Pensioners Association Manipur Zone, T.H. Rehani Kumar, Director of Mastermind Abacus, Lalambung Center Mutumunindru, and Administrator Lawrence Arambam at the event. Sarmila Lemapokpam said that Mastermind Abacus focuses on improving cognitive skills of youngsters through introduction of mathematics as a tool.
August ki tang kun mangada Guwahati IIT da notice state level mastermind competition se pangthok ki date 25 ta adugi Manipur unit mastermind Abacus ki angang sing sip all together 42 students participate tawri out of 42 sida koi level 5 categories da participate tawri akoi na participate tawru category khai tu da angang gai sina champion, first runner up, second runner up loinamak lawraga lai adugi angang sing sipu felicitation tawbagi program ni ngasigi programs.
Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Amit Shah arrives in Guwahati on 2-day Assam visit. Bokundo Gates CM HD card medical treatment to be started at Jennings. Additional saplings planted at every home yard of Phayeng. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.